Yeah. On today's episode of Audacity, we find a 2.7 turbo in the wild, and we're gonna be stealing its innards and using them to power our own car.
Oh wow.
Was that starting off strong?
That's pretty good.
Honestly, I don't know what it is, but this interior seems nicer than my car.
It does.
It might just be the tinting though, huh? Or maybe it's all completely different. Maybe that's just why.
It's just better.
Maybe I should stop wasting my time stealing parts out of this and just swap over the engine.
Ah. You stole the interior bit? What'd you get?
Got the center console, got that weird little like
The floppy doodad?
floppy doodad for the rear air vent, and importantly, they gave us as a bonus National Treasure. So
Hey, look, a boost gauge.
is that a boost gauge?
Yeah, dude.
Jacket. You have a boost gauge, don't you?
I do, but you don't.
I don't. Boost gauge implies.
I think I know where this goes.
Does it go in the boost thing?
Look at that.
Perfect fit.
Perfect fit, dude. You should swoop this for your car. There you go.
What else would I need in order to make a functional boost gauge?
Ta-da.
Bam. Boost gauge.
Bada bop, boom, pow.
Ah, yes. Bypass clamp altogether. Take whole hose.
Genius.
That's how you do it.
Are you gonna steal this guy?
No.
Oh.
I already have a new one in my car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Couldn't you sell this for like $12,000 though?
$12,000? Maybe.
Oh, look at that. Extra boost.
Good taste of oil on that.
Yeah.
Makes sense. I don't know how oil gets there, but
It's there.
it's there. It's everywhere on this car. There's no avoiding it. It just won't. The oil on this car will be everywhere but in the sump.
Makes sense.
Audi Allroad ownership.
Ownership in a nutshell.
Ownership of a 2.7 turbo in a nutshell. I don't know, it might work. So,
Seems legit.
seems legit to me. Audi. The all new Audi 325i Quattro.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go. I don't know if you've gone under there and looked at it, but the weld jobs they did on like hangers are legendary.
It's mint.
Dirty.
Probably. We're stealing that, right?
Yes, we are definitely stealing that. Although we're gonna need to make modifications because I still have cats.
Is this like a straight turbo back? Is it one piece welded?
One piece welded.
Oh wow. This thing must have been loud as
It must have been, dude, you remember when we basically ran the exhaust straight from the headers on the 2.8?
on your car?
On the A4, yeah.
On the B5?
Yeah.
Ooh, flashback to that.
Flashback to that. John edited in here. Flashback to that moment. Dude, it probably sounded like similar to that.
Dirt nasty low?
Dirt nasty low.
Excellent.
Oh.
That's what you want.
Oh.
Great.
Oh, I don't trust that. Not good happy feelings.
Oh my gosh, that is super sketch.
Not unbolting, but chopping off with a too small grinder wheel this beautifully welded in the backyard of some crackhead's house exhaust here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want that.
We do want that before this thing ends up going to the crusher.
All right, let's do it. There you go. Hey! Look at that. Show me what you got. This is thumbnail material right here. Oh, wow. It might just pop right out. Okay, so we're having issues getting this side out because it's in a weird angle and we don't want to lift the car anymore. So we're gonna try something else. And we'll be right back.
Stay tuned. Welcome back, GDCers. We did not want to lift it as we probably should have. We did not want to take it off the jack stands and put it back on the jack stands on the other side. There was a big fire hazard because as with most Allroads, there was about a quart of oil just around and on the engine, so we really didn't want to launch a bunch of fiery sparks. So we are resulting to the only other option that we have, and that is to use the GDC tractor to yank it off because it's barely held on there. And if we rip off a header with it, or if we just rip it off by where we cut. Yeah. Oh! Take number one, negative. It sounds like it. It sounds very out of gas. What's the consensus?
Oh, it's bone dry.
Oof. Rip.
Okay.
Take number two. Yeah! Victory lap! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! We took some electronics with us.
What the heck?
Yo, it didn't come off the tack. It came off the freaking header.
Oh.
Bruh. Love that.
Look at that O2 sensor.
O2 sensor and everything.
Nice.
Whale.
Nice. Some strong connectors.
That's a strong connector right there. Mission success.
Beautiful.
Ripped out an exhaust with a lawnmower.
Cameron, we did it.
We did it.
We did it.
That was a task.
It was kind of a task, wasn't it?
A little bit of a task.
But you now have a straight piped exhaust for your car.
Straight piped exhaust. That 2.7 turbo is gonna sound sick. Now I just need a stage 3 tune with Franken turbos.
Yes. That sounds good.
And to reinstall the air suspension.
Makes sense. Makes sense. That tracks.
That tracks. The Allroad owner's inevitable delusion. Reinstalling the air suspension.
A classic.
What a classic Allroad owner move. Okay.
All right, tune in when we turn this into a legit exhaust for Cameron's car.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I think
Should we go stick this in your car?
we should go stick this in my car.
Okay, great.
And
Wait, what the heck is that thing doing?
leaking oil.
Oh.
It's okay. I just need to tighten the bolts on my valve cover gasket.